This method can help to open the door for ceramic components to manifold applications such as chemical reactors, surgery tools, or customized luxury products.
The main advantage of this technique is that the deposition of the material happens selectively and the solidification of the material occurs independently of the material properties.
We first had the idea for this method when we thought about the adaptation of our knowledge in the field of multi-material approaches to additive manufacturing.
To make the thermoplastic suspension, first select the powders. Additive manufacture of black and white objects requires 2 powders. In this case, the choices are Zirconia Black 1 and Zirconia White 1, which have comparable sintering temperatures. Obtain field emission scanning electron microscope images of both powders to characterize them with respect to particle shape and surface area. Here, the average particle diameter of the Zirconia White particles is approximately 0.4 of a micrometer, as measured with a laser diffractometer. The Zirconia Black particles have an average diameter of 0.5 micrometer. Move on to prepare the suspensions in a heatable dissolver. Prepare each suspension separately with the dissolver at 100 degrees Celsius by melting a mixture of paraffin and beeswax. Before continuing, check the vessel to ensure that melting is complete. Once melting is complete, homogenize the polymer mixture. Next, reduce the speed.